I passed 5 Tradeify prop firm evals in one day. I'm going to show you guys exactly how I did it, and I only used 2 contracts. So when you think that you need to add more size, obviously you need to be riskier, right? What I did isn't something I do every single day, but as a trader, you do need to learn your edge. And that also means you need to be updated on what's going on with the market. So today at 8:30 Eastern time, we had CPI data. So I had to wake up extra early. I'm out here on the West Coast in Arizona at 5:30. Sometimes you gotta wake up early, right, to get those rewards. And it worked out. If you guys see my screen here, I literally passed 5 of these $50,000 accounts. You can do it in one day, and you have to reach $3,000. So I don't do this all the time, but I kind of was more riskier because they are evals, right? Between these 5, it was about $450 to purchase them, and I risk more, more than that on my personal live trading account. So basically, I passed all of these just waiting for confirmation. So I woke up at 5:25, literally just 5 minutes before the CPI data was going to be released, and I just waited for confirmation. Typically, since this is before market, you don't see a lot of swings up and down. That's not always the case, but at least what I've noticed the past couple months recently is if it's good news, skyrockets up. And so basically I just waited for it to break the 9 EMA. It's the green chart right here. I entered literally with just 2 contracts and just waited for it to rip up, and sold it about 3/4 of the way the candle. I believe it was a 60, where did I get it? 72.40, about that. It was about a 60-70 point move with only 2 contracts. So pretty cool to be able to wake up and be done literally within 5 minutes. This is the 5-minute candle chart. And basically I just waited for confirmation. I wasn't hoping it was going to go up or down. I just waited to see what price was telling me, right? So if this was wicking down and broke below the 9 EMA, I would have gone short, and it probably would have been the same result, right? So sometimes it is okay to be risky. You just need to learn your edge within the market and know that sometimes you have to buy the news and sell the story, right? People did think that the market was going to go up. I did have a little bit of a bias too, but it worked out today. So that's how I passed 5 trading combines in one trade, actually within less than 5 minutes.